use a spoon to peel your ginger. No waste.
Okay, thank you.
Hey, Mark, you look like you're in the zone right now.
Feeling it.
So what are you making?
Today I'm making a shrimp and leek gratin.
I know you're a firefighter.
Yes, sir.
Do you want to have a career in food?
I met my wife on our first date at a small little family-run diner. And I hope maybe one day that maybe I can have something like that.
Amazing. Smells delicious.
Thank you.
Let's go, Mark. Get a boy.
Let's go, buddy. Come on, buddy.
Today I am making a sugarcane shrimp with a spicy mango sauce.
I am making a Thai green curry with grilled shrimp. I need this white apron to change my life.
I was not able to get the time off work to compete in MasterChef Canada. So I quit. It's done, and here I am. I want to work with food. When I was about 5 years old, I started pretending I had my own cooking show. I've been waiting for this my entire life.
I have to do it. I need that apron.
30 minutes! You have 30 minutes left!
Jennifer, it already smells amazing, I've got to tell you.
Thank you. This is a shrimp and corn tart. MasterChef Canada is such a spectacular leap from my day-to-day. I'm a policy analyst, and it has been safe, and it has been comfortable, but I've always loved food. There's this backlog of expression, especially through food, that needs to come out. I just know, like, my heart is going to ache if I don't take some risks.
I brought you here for a reason because I think you have what it takes.
Thank you, Chef Claudio.
20 minutes left, 20 minutes only.
Every move you make matters.
Roz, you're a machine, man.
Thanks, buddy. You guys are my inspiration. You guys are my inspiration. I need the white apron more than anything in the entire world.
My sister and I were born in Iraq. I moved here when I was 8 years old. And then I got bullied a lot as a kid, too, so especially throughout high school, which was kind of hard. I think that's part of why I'm so competitive, too. I always feel like I have something to prove.
I'm about to pop out probably the best dish of my entire life, and I think I got that white apron.
Come on, let's go. Let's go, come on. 10 minutes. You have 10 more minutes left.
Andre, what are you making?
I am making curried shrimp with sage chips, enoki mushrooms, and potato puree.
So, Andre, what's motivating you to be here?
My dad owned a restaurant in Jamaica, and ever since he came back to Canada, he's lost his passion. My food dream would be to open a catering company with my dad. Him bringing his traditional Jamaican foods, and me bringing my modern flavors would just make a perfect catering company.
Was he a great chef?
Oh, he's amazing.
How come he's not here?
Because I'm better.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
Wow. Keep your eye on that clock.
Yep.
Goes by very fast.
Thank you, Chef.
2 minutes left. Come on, get everything on the plate.
This is intense right now.
I'm getting a little stressed.
Oh, I gotta be lightning speed right now just to get it on the plate.
You can do this. Breathe.
1 minute, your final minute. You have 1 minute left.
Oh, my God. This is probably the most stressed I've ever felt in my life.
Let's push, everyone. Get those finishing touches on the plates.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands up!
God, what a dream come true.
I got goosebumps again, look at that. Good work, everyone.
Now, it's time to let your dishes do the talking.
Lena, could you please describe this dish?
Yeah, so it is a sugarcane shrimp with a spicy mango sauce.
You know, plate presentation, I think, is clean, but I think you're lacking a little bit of the mango puree in the bottom. I'm gonna try it just the way it's supposed to be eaten. Andre, tell me about the shrimp dish, please.
It's curried shrimp with potato puree. I also paired it with sage chips to give it some texture.
The cook on the shrimp is really good, and the curry flavors are definitely bold, good bit of heat.
Thank you.
Overall, awesome job.
Wow, Jennifer, I am really intrigued by this, okay? Explain how this is shrimp to me.
I just really wanted to make it the hero of the dish in every way that I could, and then push it a little further. What you have is the shrimp and corn tart. I toasted the shells of the shrimp. I find it almost like a popcorny flavor, so that's why there's popcorn there to bring that out as well.
This really is a unique and original dish.
Thank you, Chef.
Very interesting. Thank you, Jennifer.
Thank you, Chef. Those judges have a pretty sick poker face. I don't know what they're thinking.
Hi there, Mark.
Chefs,
Please tell us about your shrimp dish.
we have a shrimp gratin with sautéed leeks, sabayon, and then I folded in some cream.
The shrimp and the creaminess, it works quite well.
Problem is, you know, you whip this up, but I don't see that airy texture. It's quite dense.
Thank you, Mark.
Thank you.
Hi, chefs.
So tell us about the dish, please.
This is a Calabrian-inspired shrimp and grits.
Very beautiful. I mean, it's a spectacular looking dish.
The ratio, it's just too much grits. Need a bit more meat, but very, very tasty.
Thank you.
Thank you, judges.
Hi there, Chrissy.
Hello.
Tell us about your dish, please.
I've made a Thai green curry with grilled shrimp.
In a fairly big dish like this, you just gave 3 shrimps?
Yeah, I was a little stingy, I'll admit.
You got some very, very strong flavors in there.
Thank you, Chrissy.
Thank you.
I've cooked my heart out. I've done my best. I'm just worried that it's not enough.
You 6 home cooks were all so fierce that there were actually 3 dishes that stood out.
Wow.
And the cooks who made those 3 dishes were Rajim, Andre, and Jennifer. Congratulations, you 3. Come and collect your aprons.
I'm proud of my dish, and more than that, I'm proud of myself.
Thank you so much, chef.
Great job.
Winning a white apron means I'm one step closer to getting my catering company started with my dad.
Thanks, man. Good job. Good job. Thank you so much. Good job.
Could the 3 remaining home cooks please join us at the front?
People are going to get cut, and I might be one of them.
Anything could send anybody home at this time. I have no clue what's going to happen.
The bar has been set sky high. Unfortunately, only one of you exceeded it. The final white apron goes to Chrissy. You did it. Your journey starts now.
Thank you so much for believing in me.
There you go.
I've always been wear your heart on your sleeve kind of person, but I have never cried so much. Like, I'm crying for joy, I'm crying for excitement. It's a roller coaster. Oh.